Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can disable and remove links for shared conversations on Copilot in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Alright, let me navigate to my Copilot account, and for this method you will need to access your account settings. So log into your Microsoft account here in Copilot. In the bottom left corner, click into your profile icon, select settings. In your account settings, guys, what you want to do is click into privacy here to the left, and here you will see that option, manage shared links. Click into it and you will see the list of all conversations you have been sharing through shareable links. So you may copy, or you may find the copy link button here. And if you'd like to stop sharing the link, for example, to not allow your contacts and for example users to access the given conversation through the shareable link, click into this button to remove the link. That's it. You may also navigate through that drop-down menu and select or choose between conversations, pages, tasks, and so on and so forth. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.